Python Selenium does not wait until page is loaded after a click command. Does someone know how to wait until the page is loaded? I tried all possible variants I found on the web, but it simply does not work. I need to wait after I trigger a click command. There is some internal scripting on the web server which fools checks such as, I exclude the code to import required modules and use standard naming conventions. Or all the above checks do not work, in the sense that they return true even if the page is still loading. This causes text which I am reading to be incomplete since the page is not fully loaded after a click command. It seems that in Python the command click and wait is not available, but again, it probably would not solve the problem as the other tests also fail. Ideally there would be a command which waits until the whole web page is loaded, regardless of a particular element of the page. I managed to solve the problem by manually inserting a time.sleep5 in a loop, but this is suboptimal since it might slow down the whole process. If possible, better to wait only the strictly required time. Checks.
Fundamentally, if the page is being generated by JavaScript, then there is no way to tell when it has finished loading. However, I typically try to retrieve a page element, catch the exception and keep on trying until a timeout is reached. I might also check that the element is visible, not merely present. There must be some DOM element whose visibility you can use to test that a page has finished loading. I typically have a wait underscore for underscore element underscore visibility, and wait underscore for underscore element underscore presence functions in my test cases. Get underscore via underscore CSS is one of my own functions, but I hope it's fairly clear what it is doing.
Here's my version that I have used. The top line in the function is a generic wait. The second one is an expected conditions where it is trying to find an element that you know exists on the page. You can change it so instead of spath it does CSS underscore selector, name, ID, class, etc. There are many others, but you'd have to look up the expected conditions documentation. Hope that helped. It helped me when I figured it out.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.